Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen multitasking on Motorola Signature smartphone. First of all, you're gonna have to open two applications that you want to use at the same time. Then tap the icon above one of the applications and select split screen. And if both applications support split screen feature, then you'll be able to just tap on the second application then and split the screen between these two apps. Now, to change the window size, use the bar between the windows by moving it into either to the top or to the bottom. If you want to eventually use stop using the split screen mode and use only one application at a time, you just have to basically fill the screen with this app, and this will eliminate the other application. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.